Hello friends, in this video you will learn about remove every kth node program. The task is given a linked list. Your task is to remove every kth node from the linked list. Input output, I will explain with example. Our task is complete the function delete k. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case there are 3 lines. First line is the number of nodes. Second line is the details of data in the nodes. Third line is the k value. Same way remaining test cases. Output. See this second test case to get the idea about output. In this k value is 2. Every second node we need to remove from the linked list. So see this. For 1, 2. 2 is removed from the linked list. Then 3, 4 is removed from the linked list. Then output is 1, 3. 2 and 4 is removed. To solve this task, here is our code. See this. Delete k function. In this, if head equal to null or k value equal to 1, in both cases, just return the null value, because the head equal to null, there is no element to remove. Just return null. If k equal to 1, k value is 1. Every element we need to remove from the linked list. In both cases, just return the null value. Else, if having elements or k value is other than 1, then this else block will execute. Take this second test case. Say this. I am to travel in this linked list using a temporary node star s equal to head. Int n to get the k value. See this. While loop starts s not equal to null, because s pointing 1, because s equal to head, s pointing this 1. Then n equal to k value is 2, n gets a 2 value. While loop starts, inner while loop, n not equal to 1, true, because n value is 2, it is not equal to 1, and s not equal to null, s also not equal to null. Then this while loop execute, n minus equal to 1 is n decremented by 1, then n value is 1. If n equal to 1, it is true. This if block execute, node, one more temporary node star t equal to s next. T move to the second node, this 2. And if t not equal to null, t also not equal to null, because it is 2. Then s next equal to t next, because s next is pointing 3 node, t next is 3 pointing 3 node, so s next is pointing 3. Free t free, the pointing second node is become free. Then s equal to s next. S equal to s is pointing 1, s next is 3 now, s pointing 3. See this. n value is 1, so 1 not equal to 1 is false. So this block while loop stops execution. Once again s is not null, it is true, because s pointing 3. Once again this block execute. N equal to k, value is 2. While loop 2 not equal to 1 is true, and s not equal to null, true. N decremented by 1, n value is 1 now. If block execute, because n value is 1 equal to 1. Then additional star t temporary node t equal to s next, t pointing 4 no. If t not equal to null, it is true. S next equal to t next. T next is null. S next is null now. Free t. This pointing node is become free. S equal to S next. S next is null now. Then n not equal to 1 is false. Both are false. While loop stops execution. And S also null. So this while loop also stops execution. Return head. Head pointing 193. So output is 193. See our code is right or not by compile test. Expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Yes, correct answer with the execution time 0.01. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.